Now we're going to turn to Iran, where protests against the Islamic regime have been going on for weeks now. The government is still trying to crack down. It has confirmed the first death sentence for a protester, someone accused of setting fire to a government building. The charge, enmity against God. Charlie Daggett is following the latest protests, including a series of walkouts that began this morning.
Defying the threat of execution, they're still demonstrating on the streets of Iran. This was last Friday. Iran's revolutionary court handed down the first official death sentence to an anti-government protester on Sunday. An ominous warning for more than 15,000 Iranians currently under arrest. The Iranian regime said the rebels need to be taught a hard lesson. It follows a brutal crackdown on demonstrations that have raged for months, triggered by the death of 22-year-old Mahsa Amini in September, allegedly beaten while in custody of so-called morality police, accused of wearing her headscarf improperly. It became a flashpoint that erupted into nationwide protests. Chants of death to the dictator on a scale Iran has not seen in decades, burning their hijabs and chopping off their hair in defiance. Activists believe there is little hope of a fair trial for the thousands detained now awaiting sentencing.
Human rights groups fear that a wave of execution orders may now follow, yet even in the face of death sentences, activists have called on Iranians to take part in 3 days of nationwide protests starting today. Tony?
All right, Charlie, thank you very much.